You want to learn how to add text to speech on Canva videos on PC. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first head over to canva.com and over here, click on video and select video 1080p. You'll be taken to this blank page. Now let's import a video here first. Let's just put any video here. Now we have our video. Now if we want to add text to speech on it, you can do so by using one of these apps here. They're not by Canva, they're just third-party apps. They all have credit system. So let's say I go inside one of them. It has 400 free characters available. So like this, there are a lot of these apps inside Canva that you can use to create these voiceovers. Let's say I show you an example like this. I entered the script. I can use the voiceover from here and generate the voiceover.
Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Next, there are two other ways to do it, but we need to go outside Canva first. One of them is 11 Labs. So this is 11labs.io. You can export 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech per month, which is, I think it's more than what these Canva apps are providing. And also the 11 Labs has a much higher quality of voiceover. I'll show you what I mean. Now here I've typed in the text and down here you've got this drop down for selecting the voiceover and then click on this play button.
Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Okay, as you can see, the sounds are much better. 11 Labs also has a way to clone your voice. So instead of using these voices, you can just clone your voice.
Sherlock Holmes's quick eye took in my occupation, and he shook his head with a smile as he noticed my questioning glances. Sherlock Holmes's quick eye took in my occupation, and he shook his head with a smile as he noticed my questioning glances.
But the problem is, if you go into the pricing, you'll find that the starter plan is for $4.17 per month and it's billed yearly. If you switch it to monthly, it's $5 per month. It's still less expensive compared to the other text-to-speech tools, and you get like 30 minutes of ultra quality text-to-speech per month, and you can clone your voice with this. But what if I told you there's another tool that can clone your voice for free, and it's called play.ht. This is our second tool. I've put both the links in the description so you can check them out. Now here on play.ht, you can create a voice clone in the free plan as well, and it allows you up to 12,500 characters. After that, you need to upgrade it. I already have cloned my voice. So let's go inside files. I'm going to play the voice and show you my voice clone. Check the link in the description to discover tips and tricks for using Google like a pro. It doesn't sound exactly like me, but it is still a voice clone, and you can adjust the similarity and such here. Let's say I use this one. It will look much better because I have adjusted the settings here. Need help organizing your life? Google Calendar, Drive, and Docs make it all easy. And when you're curious about something, just Google it, you'll find exactly what you need in seconds. This one sounds much better compared to the upper one. Now this is one way to get a voice clone for free. Now you can just enter a text and generate it, and then you can play it to listen to it. And once you're okay with it, you can just download the file from here. Now I will delete this file and I will bring in the file of play.ht here. Now it's inside the audio tab, and I can drag this and drop it here where drop music is showing. Now I will play it and show you how it sounds like. Check the link in the description to discover tips and tricks for using Google like a pro. So this is how you can add text to speech to Canva videos. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.